Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Snapchat cannot open chat. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is force close the Snapchat app along with all the other apps from your app drawer and then restart it. You must also check your internet connection. You can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and also toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to settings on your device, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on Snapchat, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the cache of Snapchat and try again. You can also try updating the app by heading over to the Play Store on your device, search for Snapchat in the search bar, then hit update right next to Snapchat. Sometimes you may also have to verify server outages, in that you can try logging in through a different account or use down detector to see if other users are reporting server out. It may be a chat specific bug. In that case, you may have to contact Snapchat support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.